In today's video, I'm gonna try to fix this iPhone 7 Plus. It's not detecting the SIM card and always showing no SIM. I can see that the IMEI is showing when I press *#06#. That means that the baseband circuit is working, and I tried many different SIM cards and none of them has been detected. The phone is unable to see the SIM card. I will use this set of screwdrivers to disassemble the phone. This set has sent to me by Union Repair. Thanks Union Repair. I will leave a link for their website under the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayman the Repair Tech channel. My name is Ayman. In this channel I do phone repair tutorials and tools and equipment reviews, so if you are interested, consider subscribing. I can see that someone already disassembled or removed the baseband chip. I will check the diode mode reading for the SIM card tray first. The diode values seems normal. Here one pin is ground and the other one is the pin responsible about the SIM card detection. I get normal value here. This one should be ground. Okay, let's remove the SIM card tray. I can see that both now is touching each other, which is normal. When the SIM card is inserted, this line should have 1.8 volt, and when the SIM card is out of the slot, this two pins or pads pins should be grounded. So I will turn on the phone right now and I'll check if I have the 1.8 volt or no. I have only 1 volt. I should have 1.8 volt, not 1 volt. And now it's 1.8. What's going on? And still no SIM card. What is that? Oh my god. That chip is broken, I guess? It is broken. And there is a jumper here. Let's see what this line for. My god, this is VDD SIM. And this is 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. You should not have jumper when you have a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. So I will replace this chip and I will put another resistor here. Let me get donor board. Now let's give it a shot and hope for the best. Really, I loved those screwdrivers. Very heavy, very durable. Thanks again, Union Repair, for sending me these nice gifts. I say gifts because they sent me a lot of free items to try it, and if I like it, I tell you about it, and I tell you about their website. I will leave it here. Orange Egypt. Let me focus. Yeah, that's how it's done, baby. If you like this video, give me a like, leave me a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and my work here is done. I'll see you next one. Bye guys.